Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'd like to show you how to install the new Insinkerator Easy Connect power cord for Insinkerator garbage disposals. If you have an Insinkerator Power Series or Advanced Series continuous feed food garbage disposal. I bought the 3/4 horse Power Series for $159. You'll usually see something about Easy Connect in the title or on the box. That way you'll know that you need an Easy Connect cord. I paid $9.99 for the cord. Your disposal will have some prongs that you will slide your cord into. First, remove the green ground screw. Then take your cord, which has 3 female slots, and slide it into the 3 male prongs. Now screw your ground screw back in, and you're done. This is what the final product looks like. I'll put links in my video description for the 3/4 horse Power Series, which is the one you saw in the video. I'll put a link for the Evolution 3/4 horsepower. I'll put a link for the 1 horse Power Series, the 1 horse Evolution. And, of course, I'll put a link for the Easy Connect power cord. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.